One more time. All right. Let me see the bolster itself. Fiberglass cover. Very tight, fits the 468. Made by Truly Yours. That's it, twerk it, baby. Language.
Oh. Nice try, though. Oh, man. Are you guys ready?
Whoever survives gets cookies.
Go!
Are you rushing all the way around? Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? What the heck? What are you doing?
Dude, what the heck?
What?
Why would you do that?
Why are you saying what?
Did you spill all of that guy?
Yeah. He burned my patch.
He burned your patch?
Yeah.
He's a little kid, bro.
No! Back up!
Little kid. Hey, you need to call the cops or something, dude.
Want me to walk off?
Yeah, get off. I need to talk to you.
You never helped, and I'm expected to do everything. Really?
Fall back!
Oh, hit, medic. Hit, medic. Oh, man. Good shot. I'm already hit. What? Hit. Come on, I'm already. Do not see the red rags. I'm already hit. I'm hit. Look, take a. I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm hit. Look, there's even a dead rag on my gun. Come on. Hit. Stop. Please stop shooting. Come on. Come on. This is just ridiculous now. I'm hit. For the love of God, I'm hit. Stop shooting me. I'm already hit. How is this not obvious? Admin, will you do something? Admin, please do something. Admin, do you see this? Everything seems fine to me. Oh, sorry, sir.
First rule, during the game, each player must wear safety goggles.
It is each player's responsibility to follow this rule.